This is HP Ink Tank 415 printer. This supports Wi-Fi and online system. Also, it has a cable where you can connect this with a USB cable to your computer. So I have a MacBook Pro and I connected it with a connector, a converter from USB to USB-C. So after successfully connecting, it should work. And there is a sound. I installed HP Smart Apps in my PC, which is a software from which you can get from HP. And now I'm showing you how you can connect it with the Wi-Fi so that you can print wirelessly from a remote location, so that you don't have to connect your USB drive every time you want to print. See, first I opened this HP Smart and my device is already connected, so it shows my printer here. But if you are new, you can add printer from here, so that you can connect your new printer and set it up. You can find that easily in the online. Now I'm showing you, once you connected and set up your computer, then how to connect to your Wi-Fi network. First I am selecting this, and there is a message here from my previous print, which I am simply going to ignore. And now I'm going to the network information, and here it shows that wireless connected is on, status is not connected, which is shown here by this one. This light is blinking, so that this there is a cell tower icon here, so it's not connected. So to connect this, I'm going to the advanced settings, which will open a page like this. It has everything here. To the network, and here it shows wireless 802.11, which is a driver's name for the printer, and it's not connected to anything. And you can print the status here, but I don't want that. Here is my previous network configuration, which I connected before. All I am going here now to the wireless setup wizard, which will configure me to my new Wi-Fi address. Here it shows me there is one wireless network which is available. So now all I have to do is I have to select this. Now I have to go to next. Now I have to use the password of my Wi-Fi network and select next. So now I have to click here to finish, to complete the setup. Now I'm showing the status here. You can see from here that all the network parameters are here, and this Wi-Fi signal button is not blinking anymore, which shows that my printer is connected to the Wi-Fi successfully. So I should be able to access my printer from any network that is connected to my Wi-Fi, like on that network. So let's check it out. Now I'm disconnecting this cable. So the printer is disconnected. Let me try to print this page. Now this one is the right one, maybe. And it started printing wirelessly. So my cable is not connected, so this is completely happening wirelessly. So I should be able to print any document from this computer or any other computer that is connected to my Wi-Fi network, or even from my phone. I can print these documents and I can access my printer wirelessly using HP Smart app on mobile phone, which also allows you to print anything from your phone. So to check this out, I am just uh, showing you how to print anything from printer from your phone. Here is HP Print Service plugin, which you have to install. And every time you try to print something, you have to go through this app, HP Print Service plugin. Then you, at the end of the presentation, you go to open HP Smart app, which will be open here, and you can print. It's connected and it shows that it's ready. So let's print something. Let's try from our file manager. Let's try to print this. Let's go to HP Smart plugins, where I can see my printer. Now it's showing me how it will print this. I am selecting black and white, and orientation is automatic, and I select printing, and it's printing my pages. So I have to go through the HP Print Service plugin, and it will print anything from mobile phone or computer from your mobile. I hope you have a good idea how this works. Thank you for watching.